Welcome, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another cold day here in Canada, but we are going out to have breakfast. I just want to have something different from what we usually have. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how much it costs to have breakfast out, okay? So if you're a breakfast person, stick around. Guys, good morning. It's Saturday, but I am not doing any laundry today. Not until next week. So I came home, I had a little nap, and I'm going to take everybody out this morning for breakfast. Something different, something new. So the kids will be very happy and very excited. So Mickey is learning to get herself dressed, which is good because next year September she will be going to kindergarten, and it's one of the requirement for your child to be able to dress themselves, and I think she's ready. She's doing very good. Oh, good job, Mickey. You did it? Huh? You did it, Mickey? Here's neck warmer. Thank you. Good. And your hat?
Hat.
Mm-hmm. Are you ready to go, Mickey? Yeah? Good job.
I'm hungry.
You hungry? Okay. Let's go eat. Mickey, what's wrong? Okay, thank you. Okay, Joe, let's go to the car. Come on, Joe. You're not. Mickey, what? Joe, go to the door now. Come in. So, guys, we're going to Aliman Coco for breakfast, and it's looking really full inside there already. Ooh, look at the lineup, my goodness. Guys, we're inside the restaurant, but we are here lining up at the door waiting because it's a bit of a lineup and lots of family out and everything waiting to be seated. It's a big restaurant. Oh my god. You ready to order, Mickey? Leave the Jamal one, man. Some really nice looking food. A signature brunch.
What's that?
Careful with the knife, you know, Joe. Put it down.
Hey, you stole mine.
Joe, put on the knife, okay? Mickey, what you doing? Just trying to get. What you looking for, Joe? You drink coffee? Thank you. Ooh, I don't have any space for my. It's okay. It can stay there. Joe, don't put too much salt on your egg, Joe. Jesus Christ. We're good so far. Thank you. No, I won't have any more. Yeah. Jesus Christ. Guys, our food arrived. So, Joe, what you put in the syrup on, Joe? What you gonna put the syrup on? I will give you a piece of my pancake and you can put your syrup and you can put syrup on it, okay? Mickey, what you taking out my sausage for, Mickey? Huh? Okay, you can have it. Mickey snatched a sausage from my... Okay. Oh my God, I don't know if I will be eating all this, but yeah, it's a lot of food. So guys, our food came and I'm telling you, it's a lot of food. Oh yes. Joe, what do you want? Some of my pancake? It's good, Mickey? It's good? Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Okay, you don't need no whole of syrup. You need more? All right, Joe. Mm,
The little waffle.
that's egg. Guys, I'm full. I'm gonna finish my breakfast. It's a lot of food still in my plate. Joe, what's going on? You okay? Oh my God. Okay, guys, we just finished having our breakfast at Animal Coco. Guys, breakfast was great and the price was not bad at all. I think we paid $71 for everybody, and that's like a really good price for like 2 adults and 3 kids. I do recommend Animal Coco. The food is good there, the service is great, and I think yeah, this one that we went to was on Woodruff. So yeah, great morning, great day out with the kids. As you can see, we went to the mall after, so they surely had fun. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more. Bye.